Have you ever looked at a dashboard and wondered whether the average value truly reflects what's happening in your business? Imagine analyzing customer purchases where most customers spend around $50, but occasionally one customer spends up to $5,000, making the data look very different. That's where median aggregation comes in. In this video, we'll explore how median aggregation in Bold BI helps you uncover more accurate insights, reduce the impact of outliers, and make better data-driven decisions. Let's dive in. The median represents the middle value in a sorted data set. Let's take this example, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 500. The average is 114. But does 114 truly represent the typical value in this data set? Not really. The median is 20, which better reflects most data points. Unlike averages, median is less affected by unusually high or low values, making it one of the most reliable measures for many business analyses. Median aggregation offers several key benefits. More accurate insights. Outliers can significantly skew averages. Median helps you understand what's typical rather than what's exceptional. Better business decisions. When your reports reflect realistic trends, decision-makers can act with greater confidence. Meaningful KPI tracking. Metrics such as customer spending, employee salaries, sales transactions, and response times often benefit from median-based analysis. Reduced data distortion. Median minimizes the impact of unusual spikes, helping you identify genuine patterns in your data. Use median when the dataset contains outliers. A few values are significantly larger or smaller than the rest. You want to understand typical customer or business behavior. Accuracy is more important than overall totals. Many analysts compare both average and median to gain a more complete understanding of their data. Now let's see how easy it is to apply median aggregation in Bold BI. On the dashboard server design page, click the Data Sources icon to add a data source. You can either create new or use existing. In this example, we'll use an existing data source. Select the data source and click Add. Once the data source has been added, drag and drop a Combine widget onto the design canvas and resize it as needed. Next, drag and drop a Grid widget into the Combine widget and resize it. To assign data, click the Properties icon and navigate to the Assign Data tab. Assign a field to the column. Notice that the default aggregation is set to Sum. To change it, click the Edit icon and select Median from the list of available aggregation types. The widget now displays the median value of the selected data. Next, add another column to the grid. This dataset contains several outliers, which can significantly affect other aggregation methods. To display the median value more clearly, drag and drop a card widget into the Combine grid and resize it, and assign the field to the Measure section. Then change the aggregation type to Median. Click Preview. The card widget now displays the median value, allowing you to quickly understand the central tendency of the data without manually reviewing the entire dataset. Median aggregation may seem like a small feature, but it can have a significant impact on the quality of your analysis. By reducing the influence of extreme values, it helps you gain a more accurate understanding of your data and make better informed business decisions. That's it. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by selecting the Try It Free option. If you want a demo from an expert, schedule a call by clicking Request Demo. If you find this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.